Today I want us to review classifying conics. So based off of just an equation, without having to manipulate it, we can identify what kind of conic we have. So we've talked about how to classify circles, ellipses, and hyperbolas. We just finished talking about parabolas, so I want to give you now the list of all of them one more time, and then we'll do a couple of practice problems. Remember, when you are given two positive squared terms where the lead coefficients or the two numbers in front of those squared terms are the same, then you have circle. You have an ellipse if you once again have two positive squared terms, but the numbers that are in front of those two squared terms are different numbers. You have a hyperbola when you have two squared terms, however, one of them is positive and one of them is negative. And now finally, we know that we have parabolas if there's only one squared term in the entire equation. So let's look at these four examples. In the first one, notice that I have two squared terms, so that eliminates the parabola. If I see that they're both positive, that eliminates the hyperbola. The signs are different, or not the signs, but the numbers are different, so that means we have an ellipse. Problem number 2, I only see one squared term in the entire equation, so right off the bat, that means we have a parabola. In problem number 3, I see two squared terms. However, the sign that is between them is negative. So since one of them is positive and one of them is negative, I don't care what the numbers are in front, we have a hyperbola. And in the last one, I have two squared terms. They are both positive and they have the same number in front. So that means that we have a circle. And that's us identifying and classifying conics based off of the equation.